something that's big is grants. And if you know the Community Foundation of the Lake, a great organization down here in Lake of the Ozarks, well, they're actually going to host a grant writing workshop featuring a really good panel of experts. So the Community Foundation of the Lake is proud to announce a workshop designed to equip nonprofit professionals, educators, and community leaders with essential tools for securing grant funding and building sustainable programs. If this piques your interest, the event will take place on June 25th at the Church at Osage Hills and will feature the panel. I'm getting ready to list, but it is a dynamic panel with seasoned experts, including Beth Tankersley Bankhead, Don Busick, Jerron Johnson, Donna Chapman. And so you'll get to kind of hear about how would you go about the process of looking into getting a grant, filling out the paperwork, how can you make sure you qualify, all of those things. And so if you're interested about that, you can contact Jan Amos at 321-258-5828. Or, of course, we just mentioned Stacy Pirtle, 641-745-5745. Or check out Community Foundation of the Lake online. Pretty easy to get a hold of. But I know for the lake, we have a lot of nonprofits, a lot of efforts and causes. And so that could be a very beneficial event on the 25th.
Yeah, no doubt. That's not an easy thing to do, you know, applying for those grants and everything. You got to know how to do it. You got to know the ins and the outs. So if that is your arena, then I would take advantage of that.
You know, most counties and municipalities actually contract a grant writer.
Yeah.
Like on behalf of their city to apply for grants. And when you have somebody that's good or you have a good city administrator, they a lot of times go out and find those things and then use the hired grant writer in some capacity to go about that. But